Hello and welcome to Learning Clojure. This is a series for this book, Clojure book, which I wrote. My name is Karthikeyan. So, you can visit this book at clojure-book.gitlab.io. So, possibly for this entire series, this is the only URL you might need. Uh, so, and From here, you can somehow work out everything out. So, to read this book, yeah, you just click this button read, or you can download the PDF or EPUB. And if you click this button read, you will get this. So this is this is the book, so entirety of the book, and it will help you to learn Clojure, right? So of course, as I said, this video series is about this book, so I'll just be walking through this book. And by viewing this video series, you should be able to finally become a Clojure developer. So of course, I'm not saying like you will become a very proficient Clojure developer, but you will be good enough Clojure developer. So that's the thing. And this book is released under GFDL. It is a very permissive license. You can almost use this book for whatever reasons you want. So and you can share this book without any copyright concern and all those stuff. So I'm the author Karthikeyan AK, and you can write me into this email like mindaslab@protonmail.com, or better like WhatsApp or Signal or Telegram me in this number, right? So that's the thing. And what are the prerequisites you need to learn Clojure? It's better to have a good computer. I would suggest like it's better to have a good GNU Linux computer, and I would suggest Ubuntu Linux. So it's over here, right? So that's how it is. And look, I don't feel like other computing systems are professional enough for coders. So that's the thing. Linux, I feel, is very good. But personally, I'm just using Mac. That's because of different reasons. So that's the thing. And I also need you to learn about Linux thoroughly. So this site, like linuxjourney.com, will teach you very good Linux stuff. So that's the thing. So that's about it. What you need, and yeah. So let me also tell why this book. Okay, so like, look, I'm a web developer. Even now, web development is what to say, bringing me bread and butter. So that's the thing. And first, I use Java, and then PHP. Then I use Ruby on Rails and all those stuff. With Ruby on Rails, I was able to create very good web apps, and still I feel like it is one of the kings in what to say web development. Uh, when it comes to language for web development, I would still say PHP, but Ruby on Rails as a framework is one of the best for web development. But when I joined the company, where very large Ruby on Rails applications were maintained, like one application had nearly zero point 0.1 million lines of code. That is like more than zero point 0.1. Another one nearly had more than zero point 0.2 million lines of code. I could see oops breaking, like not very easy to maintain. Of course, like you need with a lot of passion and what to say, with a lot of effort, you could maintain. But why do we need to put in a lot of effort? Right? Using computers, we use computers so that like we need to reduce our effort, and that's the thing. And somehow functional programming seems to answer all these what to say difficulties object oriented programming what to say uh, has. So like I gravitated to functional programming. Okay, so that's the simple reason why I wrote this book to teach myself Clojure. So that's the thing. And another thing with Clojure is like looks like Clojure was used for data science, and I'm also a data scientist, not in a professional way, in an amateurish way. And that's because like yeah, I'm not doing any data science project. That's the thing. But the thing is with Clojure, you can create websites, you can do data science very easily, you can target different platforms and all those stuff. So So yeah, that's why I just wrote this book and learned this language. So that's the thing. So one of the great success of any language is where to get help, right? So you can go over here. So it is, there are some local communities and all those things for Clojure. So find one near you or create one or something like that, so that like you can network with people. Networking is very very important to become a very good program, right? So and there is this Clojure website, of course. So over here, I would say like uh, go to this community. Of course, you just have this success stories and all those stuff, and you have this forums. Okay, so you just have this Clojure Q&A, right? So this is the official Clojure forum, and I think it's still, what to say, very very active, right? And another thing is like you just have this Clojureverse. I don't think this has been maintained by the Clojure. What to say? The the main Clojure body or whatever it is. Like the people who are controlling Clojure, I don't think they are controlling this, but this is good enough. Like and so yeah, so this uses disc discourse or discuss. I don't know. Like so it uses a very good forum software. So let me just find out the name. Discourse forum. I think it's discourse. So yeah, it's discourse. Yeah. So it uses discourse forum, and this is very very excellent forum software, and of course it was written with Ruby on Rails, like my favorite web framework right now, right? Um, and yeah, that's how it is, right? So that's the thing. And there is also another thing called Clojurians.net. So okay, wait, let me just type Clojurians.net. Okay, so if you just go there, like it will open a Slack. So so this is the Clojure Slack, and this is what recommended by most of Clojure people, right? Personally, I don't recommend Slack because, like, look, Slack is a proprietary software and definitely it'll spy on you, right? And you don't even know whether it's spying because it's proprietary software, right? So, uh, so if you go to Clojurians.net, it will take you to the Slack, and that's how it is. And I haven't added it to the book because, like, I just feel like, okay, look, adding a spyware to my book is not ethical, but looks like I need to do that, right? So that's the thing. And of course, there is a Reddit Clojure community. So this is also very active. So in fact, like I just put all my video links over here and all those things, right? So yeah, this is my video over here. So that's the thing. So yeah, I'll also add this Clojure Slack, uh, and that's how it is. And finally, yeah, you can get this book uh, using this URL, clojure-book.gitlab.io. Okay, so that's the thing. And yeah, so yeah, this is the so that's it for the final video. So sorry, not the final video. That's it for the first video of the series. And in the next video, we'll see how to install stuff on your computer so that you can get started with Clojure. Anyway, thanks for watching.